Today our chapter is quadratic equation for class 10 ICSE board. Exercise 5.4. Exercise 5.4 from the book M.L. Agarwal. The name of the book is M.L. Agarwal, new edition book. Chapter name is quadratic equation. I am just going to revise doing number 1. Question number 1. See, question number 1 they are asking, find the discriminant of the following quadratic equation and hence find the nature of the roots. The first part given 3x square minus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation given. You have to find out discriminant. Okay, before finding discriminant you have to find out what is A. A means the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 3. Then B, coefficient of x, that is minus 5, and C, that is constant number, that is constant term, minus 2. After finding A, B, C, then you find D. D means discriminant. Discriminant denoted by D, which is equal to B square minus 4AC. B means minus 5 whole square minus 4A. C means here minus 2, coming 25 plus, because minus given here, how much coming here? 4 3 12, 12 to the 24. It is coming 49. It is a positive number or not? Therefore D, this one coming 49. D greater than 0. The nature of roots, the nature of roots are, therefore the roots are real and distinct. Roots are real and distinct. Clear? Then second part question, it is given. Second part question, just to see, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation given. First of all, you have to find out what is A. Here A means the coefficient of x square, that is 2. B, the coefficient of x, that is minus 3. C means the constant term, that is plus 5. After finding the value of A, B, C, then you have to find discriminant, that is D. Formula is B square minus 4AC. 4AC. B means here minus 3 का whole square minus 4A 2 and C is 5. That is coming minus 3 whole square is 9. This is minus 4 to 8 5 is 40. Minus 40 coming how much? 9 minus 40 means minus 31, which is less than 0. Negative number. Discriminant coming minus 30, which is a negative number. Roots are not real. Roots are not real. In this way, the second part question completed. Let us go next part. Next, third part question given 7x square plus 8x plus 2 equal to 0. So first of all, you have to find out what is A. A means the coefficient of x square, 7. B, coefficient of x, that is plus 8. C, constant term, that is 2. After that, you find discriminant, that is D. B square minus 4AC. So B equal to how much? 8. 8 whole square minus 4. A means 7. C means 2. 8 whole square is 64 minus 4. 7 4 is 28. 28 2 is 56. 64 minus 50 is coming 8. Discriminant coming 8. Therefore, the D coming positive number. D is positive number greater than 0. The roots are, therefore roots are real. Roots are real and distinct. Real and distinct. Roots are real and distinct. Next, number fourth part. Just to see, fourth part question given. Fourth part question given 3x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So first of all you find what is a. In this question a is how much? AC, B is 2, C equal to minus 1. After finding the value of ABC, then find discriminant, that is D. D stands for discriminant, that is B square minus 4AC. B means 2 whole square minus 4 AC, C means here minus 1. Coming how much? 4. 2 का whole square. This will be plus 4 is 12. 4 plus 12 coming how much? 16. 16. Discriminant equal to coming 16. Therefore D greater than 0 as it is coming 16. The roots are real and distinct. Therefore roots are real and distinct. Roots are real and distinct. In this way, fourth part also completed. Let us go next part. See, fifth part question given 16x square minus 40x plus 25 equal to 0. So here a equal to how much? 16, b is equal to minus 40, c is equal to 25. After that you have to find out discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. b means here minus 40 whole square minus 4, a means 16, c means here 25. This is coming minus 40 whole square means 1600 and it is 25 for the 100 into 16, that is minus 1600 coming 0. Discriminant is coming 0. As the discriminant is coming 0, therefore roots are real. Roots are real and equal. Okay. Whenever discriminant value, discriminant coming 0, the roots are real and equal. Fifth part, last part I am doing, that is number 1, sixth part. Question given 2x square plus 15x plus 30 equal to 0. This is the, hey, that. So here a equal to how much? The coefficient of x square, that is 2, b coming how much? The coefficient of x, that is 15, c coming plus 30. After finding the value of a, b, c, then find discriminant, b square minus 4ac. What is b here? 15 whole square minus 4ac 30. 15 whole square is coming 225, 225. It is coming 4 to 8, 8 is 24, 240 coming minus 15. D is coming, discriminant coming minus 15. Therefore D is less than 0. Whenever discriminant coming less than 0, roots are not real. Therefore roots are not real. Okay. Not real. This is the answer. In this way, question number, all the 6 part completed from the exercise 5.4 from the book ML Overall for class 10 ICSE board. Thank you for today class.